Wi-Fi signals permeate indoor spaces as structured physical fields, not just carriers of digital communication. Human presence subtly modulates these fields through breathing, posture, and micro-movements. With multiple occupants, these interactions overlap, creating complex and entangled wireless dynamics. Wi-QuantumNet introduces adaptive latent channel probing to actively interrogate and structure these dynamics. From standard Wi-Fi observables, high-dimensional latent representations are reconstructed without channel state access. A multitask architecture decodes these representations using temporal convolution, attention, and ensemble inference. This enables non-contact inference of physiological trends, activity patterns, and cognitive load indicators. Wi-QuantumNet reframes Wi-Fi as a deployable, privacy-preserving sensing medium for real-world environments.
Hi, I'm Mustafa, and I want to show you a technology that can see the invisible without cameras, wearables, or sensors. It's called Wi-QuantumNet, a system that uses existing Wi-Fi signals to detect human states like stress, focus, heart rate, activity, and even cognitive overload. Imagine your home, school, or office becoming intelligent and responsive, helping people stay healthy, safe, and productive just by analyzing signals that are already around us. Right now, monitoring human health and behavior is hard, expensive, and intrusive. Wearables need charging, cameras invade privacy, and medical devices are too costly for schools or communities. So millions of signals, stress, fatigue, irregular breathing, early warning signs go completely unnoticed. Wi-QuantumNet solved this by treating Wi-Fi as an invisible sensor. Every time a router sends packets, the signals bounce off people and objects, creating tiny variations in timing and strength. The system measures these variations, things like delay, signal delay, strength, subtle phase changes, and converts them into high-dimensional latent tensor, which you can give as input to the AI. These tensors are structured data that AI can read to infer human states and predict physiological, emotional, and physical states. But the magic is in the AI. We use temporal convolutional neural networks, attention models, and ensemble models, fancy words for a system that can learn temporal patterns or patterns over a period of time and focus on what matters most. This lets us detect micro-movements, stress levels, and even cognitive levels from a single device. It works in real-world settings, in homes, classrooms, or offices without extra hardware or invasive sensors, and that's what makes it so scalable, ethical, and deployable. Wi-QuantumNet isn't just for health. Its potential is groundbreaking. Healthcare, it can help with fall detection, early illness, mental health monitoring. In education, it can monitor students' focus, cognitive load, and stress. In the workplace, it can optimize productivity, manage stress, and improve safety. For smart cities, it can monitor crowds, disaster response, and environmental awareness. In short, it turns Wi-Fi network into a smart, responsive system that improves lives everywhere. With the Genius Plus Award, you can test the Wi-QuantumNet in real homes, classrooms, and offices, train advanced AI models for more accurate detection, launch pilot trials to capture human and environmental variability, as currently all data has come from a very controlled environment, and build automated tools for faster data collection and visualization for a streamlined process. Ingenious Plus funding is the catalyst that will turn this from a lab prototype to life-changing deployable technology ready for commercialization. Wi-QuantumNet is ready to transform how humans and environments interact, unlocking invisible insights that improve health, learning, productivity, and safety at scale. Now let me show you what the invisible waves of Wi-QuantumNet look like.